Those who insist on governing Nigeria with the imposed fraudulent and unworkable 1999 Constitution should know that they are the ones pushing Nigeria towards a violent disintegration. We do everything legitimate under appropriate international instruments to extricate themselves from the union of death, attrition, and backwardness that Nigeria has become for us. At the expiration of the 90-day period noticed by the midnight of March 16, 2020, no formal contact was made with NINAS by the federal government of Nigeria. And so we are gathered here today to inform our people in all our 3 regions, as well as the international community, the governors of our states in the Alliance Territory are hereby advised to, in the interim, work with their state assemblies to make necessary legislative and regulatory arrangements for the effective control and security of their respective territories as a part of their transitional process to the new order. We hereby call on the peoples of our alliance territories, the Middle Belt, the South-South, the Southeast, and the Southwest to rise to the challenge of shaking off the shackles and manacles hitherto imposed on us by the defunct 1999 Constitution. The task before our peoples are as follows. 1, to put together and perfect the documents of their sovereignty. To put together, to create, to distill, and perfect the documents of their sovereignty, namely the map of their territory, the draft constitutions, their draft constitutions, or charters of relationships for those units that are multi-ethnic. I repeat, to distill and perfect the documents of our sovereignty. Namely, the documents are the following: the exact maps of our territories. 2, and the draft constitutions of our countries, or the charters of relationships for those of our units that are multi-ethnic. 2, to embark upon and intensify our effort towards United Nations mandated referendums and plebiscites. That's the next step. So you young people, you must now go out and tell our people we have arrived at a point when we will ask the United Nations to come and help us run referendums so that our people can speak about their future. Do we want to be continue to be part of Nigeria, or do we want to be independent of Nigeria? That has to be yeah. Third, in the face of the demise of the 1999 Constitution, which had been the impediment to the control and management of our territories and resources, particularly the 68-item exclusive federal list, the governors of our states in the Alliance Territory are hereby advised to, in the interim, work with their state assemblies to make necessary legislative and regulatory arrangements for the effective control and security of their respective territories as a part of their transitional process to the new order which has been commenced